Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Zoosk registration error. So to fix this issue, you can start by clearing cache and cookies. If you're using a browser, you can just simply clear your browser cache and cookies. If you're using the app, clear the app cache in your phone's settings. Now the next what you can do is try a different browser or device. You can just simply switch from mobile to a desktop browser or vice versa to rule out compatibility issues. Now make sure that the email format is correct and not already used. If you previously deactivated your account, you may need a new email address. Now the next thing what you can do is restart the app or device because a simple restart can solve temporary glitches. Now the next thing what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and then search for Zoosk, and if you see an update option available here, just tap an update to get the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is check for the internet connection. If your Wi-Fi has a weak signal, you can just simply switch from your Wi-Fi to your mobile data or vice versa for the stable connection. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.